Today, I'll show you how to flip the camera in Google Meet so you can quickly switch between different cameras during your calls. This is useful if you have an external webcam, a built-in laptop camera, or maybe a document camera, and you want to choose which one Google Meet uses without leaving the meeting. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Google Meet in your browser. You can do this by typing the Google Meet address into your browser's address bar, or by going through your usual method, such as a bookmark or a link from your calendar. Once the page loads, you can either join an existing meeting or start a new one. It does not matter whether you're already in a call or still on the preview screen before you join. The process for flipping the camera is the same. After Google Meet is open, look toward the bottom or top of your screen for the control bar, depending on your device and layout. You'll see options like turning your microphone on or off and ending the call. Among those controls, there will be an icon that opens the settings menu. It typically looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings window. When the settings panel appears, you'll see a few different categories along the side or top, such as audio and video. Click on the video section. This is where you control which camera Google Meet is using, as well as some other video-related options. Inside the video settings, look for the drop-down menu labeled Camera. This menu lists all the cameras that your computer currently recognizes. For many people, this might just show a single built-in camera, especially on a laptop. But if you have an external webcam plugged in, a virtual camera from screen recording software, or a document camera, those should appear in this list as well. To flip the camera, simply click the camera drop-down and choose a different option from the list. As soon as you select a new camera, you should see the preview update in the small video window within the settings panel. Take a moment to check that the angle, lighting, and focus look the way you want. If it doesn't look right, you can try switching back or selecting another camera if one is available. If you're in an active meeting, your participants will now see the video from the new camera you selected. This change happens almost instantly, so you don't need to leave or restart the call. It's a good idea to let others know you're switching cameras so they're not surprised if the view suddenly changes. If you only see one camera in the list, that means your computer is not detecting any other cameras. In that case, double check that any external webcam is properly plugged in and turned on, then close and reopen the settings to refresh the list. Once another camera appears, you can repeat the same process to switch to it, and that's all there is to it. By opening Google Meet, going into Settings, selecting the Video tab, and choosing a different camera from the drop-down, you can quickly flip between cameras whenever you need.